On the 20th of December, there was an earthquake that hit the northern part of California. Okay, the magnitude of the earthquake was 6.4. So there was an earthquake in northern California of magnitude 6.4. It has happened on the 20th of December, where two people were killed, at least two people were killed, and there was several buildings were damaged. Thousands remained without power, as you guys can read it over there. Roads and houses were damaged. I hope it's clear on your screen. So an earthquake of magnitude 6.4 hits California on the 20th of December, where at least two people were killed, several homes and roads were damaged. Okay, now the point is, guy, I'm going to show you here what I do. Earthquake in USA. Okay, that's the title. I document that on the 24th of April, like a few months before this happened. I saw the magnitude of earthquake was 6.8 as per my dream, but in real life it has happened to be 6.4, so I was pretty much close. Lots of building will crumble down. It's true. The same thing has happened. Thousands of people are without power. Houses and roads were destroyed. And I thought it would happen in New York. I could not get the city properly, but I wrote it there. I am not sure. But it has happened in California. So I knew it somewhere somehow. An earthquake will hit the US. And I was very, very close to the magnitude of that earthquake. But I did not know it will happen in California. I thought it will be New York, but I wrote it there. I was not sure. I could not remember properly. So again, guys, who is the best? Me or USGS or neither? I'll let you guys make your own judgment, okay? Thank you for watching, guys. Please share it.